Ray's just had his breakfast. Ray Ray. That's one of the kitties I need to get stirred. He usually comes at night, and then if he's really hungry, he hangs around in the morning. But if it's storm, then he hangs around here and he sleeps here on the patio. Ray Ray. Oh. Hello, boy. Hello. Hello, Luffy's. Hello. You see all these battle wounds. Show us your pretty face. Hey? Hello, did you have a good breakfast? So yeah, you can see on his face. Hello. Hey? Check those big jowls. Maybe I'll show you this way. Look at these jowls. Look at these jowls. Hey? Little fairy face. Hey? Look there. Look at these big jowls. Hey? Ray Ray. You can see. No. No. Ray Ray. Ray Ray. Hello, Ray Ray. Hello, Ray Ray. You're such a cute one. Hey, little cuddler. Hey, Ray